Just a 5-hour, 230-kilometer ride north of Metro Manila, Baler is the perfect getaway for me to abandon the trappings of Facebook, Instagram, and web surf in favor of real surf. But my friends have always tried to woo me into going into Baler, always talking about just how exciting surfing can be. First time for everything. And surprisingly, there are a lot of activities that one can do if one decides to visit or to live here. Hello.
Hello po, B-Boy po.
B-Boy, nice to meet you. Okay naman. Kuya B-Boy was pretty funny. He's very quiet and very shy, but he came from Manila, dropped everything, and then moved to Baler. Kung posible yun, no? Na you leave the city life, tapos...
Kung hindi ka maselan. Yun lang sikreto nun eh. Kung pwede kang kumain ng kahit ano.
Galing. Most of the people that I met while I was in Baler were actually people who lived in different places. So some were foreigners, some were locals from Manila. For some reason, everyone ends up settling down in Baler. Kim just kind of touched on Baler, fell in love with the place, and moved the entire life here. Literally, you're just hanging out with the cooks and the people who own the place. They try to make the food as organic as possible. You see the cooks getting down and dirty to serve you really good food.
Kung pwede lahat, hindi na bibili. Kung pwedeng kami na mag-grow.
Yeah. I can say I'm really good with sports. I can be if I wanted to. But I was praying really hard in the morning. I was like, I don't want to get hit by a board or have any of these funny accidents because I get stupid. My instructor was Rap, and he looked exactly like the surfer I had in mind. He looked like a hang loose kind of guy, you know? He looked very fit, very tan, facial hair and everything, very, very funny, and kind, and quite patient with me, and also very proud that I got to catch my first wave.
So pag tayo natin, automatic laging nakabend. So pag sinabing ready, yung katawan natin dapat nasa gitna ng board. Okay. Tapos, pag sinabing ready yung kamay, tapat ng dibdib, hindi nakakapit. Kasi yung iba, pag kumapit, pag inangat niya yung upper body niya, mag-wobble yung board.
Okay.
Mas mahihirapan ka. Ginagamit natin soft top. Actually, pag beginners, dapat gamit hard board na agad. Pang bata lang yung soft.
I don't want the kiddie board!
Dapat yung board laging nakaharap sa alon.
Okay. Yeah, it's thrilling to learn a new sport, but it's also even more exciting to learn a new sport that you will have to depend on Mother Nature for. You can't really force it to do anything. You kind of just have to feel it out and kind of let go. Was a whole different adrenaline natural rush that kind of takes over you, and then once you get your first wave you kind of want to get more. The waves can be overwhelming sometimes, especially as a beginner, but what a rush. Surf's up. Because of the abundance of coconut plantations here in Quezon, the province is a major producer of lambanog. Lambanog is the Philippines' own version of arak, an alcoholic drink found in many cultures throughout the region of Southeast Asia.
Amoy bubblegum na siya, mami.
Lambanog can reach the potencies of 166 proof. So weird!
Oh, pinakamatapang yan. Mas matindi.
You know what? It tastes like really good scotch.
Yes!
Exploring Baler made me realize just why people fall in love with a place. And there's one thing that I found in the people I met here. Because surfing is such a nature-tied sport. The sport becomes you in the sense that you will have to let go of so many inhibitions. If you want to be able to catch your wave, you will have to be warm and welcoming and courageous, and you have to let go of control, and that's what surfing is all about. It really is a magical thing that nobody can really explain until they come to Baler.